Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to use XSS Hunter. Start by creating an account and configuring your payloads for accurate logging. I will explain how to set up unique endpoints, craft payloads, and interpret response data. Follow safe testing practices and use legal scopes only. By the end, you will know how to capture reflected payloads, analyze headers, and prioritize findings for remediation in a responsible and methodical way. I will walk through configuring endpoints, payload templates, and notification rules for XSS Hunter. Start with creating a unique endpoint name and selecting the right domain option. Save common templates to reuse and avoid manual errors. Enable notifications to email or webhook and test with a benign payload. Document each test and timestamp entries for chaining. This helps build repeatable workflows and keeps your testing organized. Next, I will cover crafting payloads that reveal context without causing harm. Use concise probes that trigger logs, avoid destructive characters, and test encoding variants. Include markers to correlate reports and timestamps for easy triage. Validate that payloads appear as expected in headers, cookies, or body content, and record full request snapshots. Keep an audit trail for permissions and consent, and always limit tests to authorized targets periodically review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.